Hello YouTube, how are you guys doing? It's applebottemgs here. So a couple months ago, I did an unboxing of my Injen cold air intake, and I kind of just showed you guys what I got in the box, where I got it from, yada yada. And then I showed you guys an after video of me actually putting it on, but I actually did not put on the Hydrosheild because I didn't have a Hydrosheild. So I went on eBay, and you know, I've been driving around with it without the Hydrosheild about, like, I want to say like 2 months or something like that. But we've recently gotten like a lot of rain, and if you know about these are supposed to be water resistant, you know, somewhat waterproof, and you know, they recommend if you have a cold air intake where the air filter is right there by the wheel well for you to get one of these. So I hopped on eBay, and you can pick up, you know, these can range for like not this brand, but other brands can range from $10, $15, $20. You know, I've seen some as high as $30, but this brand Injen is on eBay for $20. It's the cheapest place. I believe Amazon is around the same, you know, but I'm an eBay person, so I just bought it from eBay. So this is how it looks. It's supposed to fit your whole entire filter. You know, it's like the mesh because it's water resistant, and it's supposed to repel water, and then it comes with this little rubberized logo. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. If you guys do get that Injen cold air intake that I have on my 2009 Mitsubishi Lancer ES, go ahead on eBay, Amazon, or even on Injen.com and go ahead and buy one of these, so you know, you don't hydrolock your engine or something like that. So I just wanted to make a little video on that. If you guys have any questions or concerns about it, just let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you. And I'm going to thank you guys for watching and enjoy your day.